Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix command prompt not working on Windows 11. In the first step, open File Explorer, then click on this PC, right click on C drive and open its properties. Now select Tools tab and then click on Check, click on Scan Drive. It will take some time to complete its process, so wait for it. Once done, close this, click on OK and close this window. Now click on search bar and type Windows PowerShelf. Open it. You will get these commands in the description below. These commands are very important, so to avoid mistakes, copy it and paste it here. Then go to desktop, create a new shortcut and name it as cmd.exe and then right click here, select properties, go to advanced tab and check the run as administrator option. Click on apply and then OK. Now try to open it. Here we go. Now again go to search bar, type File Explorer, select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder and search for system sys wow64 folder. Copy this path, go to search bar and type environment variables, open it, then click on environment variables, select path, click on edit and click on new, paste that path here and click on OK. Close all these windows one by one. That's it guys, your problem will be solved.